Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, East Central Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Cobb County in north central Georgia, Douglas County in north central Georgia, until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Acworth to Dallas to near Draketown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Douglasville, Dallas, Buck Canyon, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Acworth, Villarica, Powder Springs, Austell, Chapel, Hiram, Lithia Springs, Fair Oaks, Mount Bethel, Lost Mountain Park, Vinings, Brownsville, Bill Arp, and Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.